Hello guys, this is new bicycle from CRADIAC. This is CRADIAC XC 3000. This is a 2x11 bicycle equipped with Shimano Qs, the latest one. The frame is 6061 alloy. You can see the shifters are from Shimano Qs U6000. The front gear is again Shimano Qs U6000. The rear derailleur is again Shimano Qs U6020. The cassette is also from Shimano, that is also Qs. The chain is also Shimano Qs. The crank is also Shimano Qs. Even the bottom bracket is Shimano. You can see the hubs. These are also from Shimano. These are alloy sealed bearing hubs. It has got Hercules for front and back. The displays are like Shimano MT200 hydraulic displays. The rotors are like locking type rotors from Shimano. The tires are from the brand Kona. And the suspension, if you look at this, is from SV2. This is hydraulic locking lockout suspension. The handles are like alloy wide 680mm handles. The stem is again alloy. The headset, you can see it is from the brand Nico. Overall, this is a value for money bicycle, premium in the premium category. You won't get this bicycle, this spec bicycle anywhere in India right now. This is recently launched by CRADIAC. Complete Shimano Qs group set. Shimano Qs is the latest model from Shimano brand. Like the difference is like it has better durability comparing any other Shimano parts, and it is compacted with most of the Shimano components. So do check out online.